Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study the introductions to accounting. Myself, Mr. Sachin Korde from KKWAG Institute of Pharmacy, Tandori. Accounting is a system of recording the financial transactions with both the numbers and text in the form of financial statement. It provides the essential tools for billing customer, keeping the track of assets and liabilities, determining the profitability and tracking the flow of cash. Why we are going to record the transaction in accounting book to find out the financial position of our in the organization, to find out the profit and loss for our organization. For such a purpose we are doing the accounting. This is the systems of recording the financial transaction. Objective of accounting: to maintain the systematic record of all business transactions. This is the first objective of accounting. Accounting is used to maintain the systematic record of all financial transactions in a book of accounts. For this, all the transactions are recorded in a chronological order in a journal and then posted to principal book, that is the ledger, make it available when it needed. Second objective is to calculate the profit and loss statement, that is our business is in profit or is in a loss, that can be determined with the help of this accounting statement, with the help of this financial statement. To determine the financial position, another important objective is to determine the financial positions of the business, to check the value of assets and liabilities. Also, for the purpose of, we prepare the balance sheet. For this purpose we prepare the balance sheet to prepare the information to various users. Providing the information to the various interested parties or stakeholders is one of the most important objects of accounting, to help them in making a good financial decision. It helps to provide the information to the various users like the external users, shareholders, to assist the management by analyzing the financial data and providing the interpretations in the form of reports. Accounting assists the management to do the operation effectively, to prevent the error. And for these are the objectives of accounting. Now we are going to study the limitations of accounting. The scope of accounting is restricted to the limits laid down by the law. Also, the transaction not expressed in terms of money are not recorded. In accounting, cost concept is follow: the immaterial information not recorded in accounting. The accounting policy is framed by the accountant as per their judgment. Object factor are completely ignored. There is no provision for bad debt or doubtful debt. These are the various branches of our accounting: financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, social responsibility accounting. First one is financial accounting. Financial accounting is that branch of accounting which involves identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing the business transaction. That is, it involves the steps from identifying, recording transaction to summarization and communications the financial data. Cost accounting. Cost accounting is that branch of accounting which is concerned with the process of ascertaining and controlling the cost of products and services. Management accounting. Management accounting refers to the branch of accounting which is concerned with the presenting the accounting information in such a way that it helps the management in planning and controlling the operation of business and in decision making. Also, tax accounting totally deals with the tax like sales tax or income tax. Social responsibility accounting, it is the process of identifying, measuring and communicating and contributions of business to the society, which consists providing employment under privileged customer satisfaction. These are the limitations and the objectives and the branches of our accounting. Thank you so much.